The Sandigan Bayan resumes the bail hearing of alleged pork scam mastermind Janet Lim Napoles. And today, whistleblower Marina Sula links the businesswoman to dismissed Sandigan Bayan Justice Gregory Ong. We have AC Nichols reporting to us from the Anti-Graft Court. Hi, AC.
Yes, my whistleblower Marina Sula resumed her testimony before the Sandigan Bayan 3rd Division this morning for Janet Lim Napoles' bid for temporary freedom. Sula used to work as Napoles' aide, but she was offered immunity by the Office of the Ombudsman in exchange for her testimony. Sandigan Bayan Presiding Justice Amparo Cabotaje sang asked Sula if she ever worried about being held criminally liable for participating in the alleged fraud. Sula said her former boss gave her the assurance that they wouldn't have to worry about facing criminal charges over the alleged modus. She went on to explain that Napoles would use as an example a graft case against her that was dismissed by the Anti-Graft Court's 4th Division. If you can recall, my Justice Ong, who used to chair the 4th Division, was dismissed from service by the Supreme Court over his alleged link to Napoles. Ong's partiality has come into question when photos of the magistrate smiling with Senator Jinggoy Estrada and Napoles came out last year. Justice Ong handled a graft case involving the anomalous purchase of Kevlar helmets that had Napoles and her brother as respondents. Napoles was acquitted in 2010, though her brother was found guilty. Sula said Napoles would always identify Justice Ong or dismiss Justice Ong as her contact in the Sandigan Bayan when assuring her employees that there is no need to worry about possible criminal liability over the alleged pork barrel scam. During the hearing, Napoles at one point became emotional and she started crying in court and wanted to defend Ong, but she was not allowed by the justices. The justices said that Napoles can speak up at the proper time, particularly when it is her turn to take the witness stand. Napoles remains that she never paid off Ong to have her graft case dismissed. Mai?
Thank you. AC Nichols reporting to us from the Sandigan Bayan.